Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to force quit an app on Mac. So first, let's open the app that I want to force quit. So let's say that I was editing on the Final Cut Pro heavy software and something happened and I want to force quit this app. So what you need to do, open or search for activity. Search from here, search for activity monitor, open it like this, and you will see this window. Here, wait a minute till it recognizes the opened apps, and here you can either search for the app by the CPU, memory, energy. So let's say that my app uses lots of CPU. I can simply search from on the CPU tab, then click on CPU here, and I can see what the higher CPU usage apps. Since let's check for the memory from the memory tab, I can easily see that I have the Google Chrome app opened, and also the Final Cut Pro. And to force quit this Final App Pro, just select it with your mouse and then click on this little stop icon. A new window pops up. Are you sure you want to quit this process? Do you really want to quit Final Cut Pro? You can either hit quit or force quit. And if you click on force quit, as you see, the app is force quitted quickly. And this is how to force quit an app on a Mac. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.